Hey there, it's Bay. It's been really a hot minute, but I felt like editing one of my old footages, and here we go. So as you can see from the title, we're just repairing one of my thumbs. Firstly, I'm gonna build a tip. It actually says acrylic gel, but in my opinion it's just like polygel and I don't really see a difference. You can see the shape is really awful, but I made this footage a long time ago and in the end it actually looks pretty good in my opinion. Now I just painted a couple of times so it doesn't seep through. Now I do one more layer of clear polygel just to secure the color and just make the shape more round and not so terrible. Now after filing it's pretty good, but from some places I filed too much and now I add one more layer of blue color. Lastly, of course, top coat and it's done. So if you enjoyed this video or this helped you, feel free to leave a like or comment and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!